Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jara from Camglish.com. Come and join me as we discuss new lessons in the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. In this video, we will deal with a new topic, and it is under Unit 89. The word that we will learn for today is not as. But first, let's know what is the word as. As is a conjunction. It is used correlatively after an adjective or an adverb. This word denotes equality or likeness in kind, degree, or manner. It also means like or similar to. But in this lesson, we will have the negative form of as, and it is not as. Let's have sample sentences. Let's take a look at the first sentence. She's old, but she's not as old as he is. Okay, by looking at the picture, we can see that this old woman is 93 years old, while this old man is 96 years old. So it means that they don't have the same age. It's like saying they don't have similar ages, okay? Let's remember that the word not as is followed by an adjective, and in this sentence, the adjective is the word old. Then we will add the word as, so not as old as. Okay, let's proceed to the second sentence. By looking at the picture, we can say that box A isn't as big as box B. Okay, so isn't as big as. So it means that box A and box B don't have similar size because box B is bigger than box A. Did you get that? Okay, let's have more sample sentences. Let's all read the sentence. Rome is not as old as Athens. Okay, we use the adjective old here, okay? So it is like saying Athens is older than Rome. Okay, now let's proceed to the second sentence. The Grand Hotel isn't as expensive as the Europa. So it is like saying that the Europa is more expensive than the Grand Hotel. Okay, let's check the form. Here is the subject, Grand Hotel, isn't as, and then plus the adjective, which is expensive, plus the word as. Okay, and then the thing or the object that the Grand Hotel is compared to, okay, which is the Europa. Did you get that? Now let's have the third sentence. I don't play tennis as often as you. Okay, so this sentence simply means that you play more often. Okay? Now let's proceed to the last sentence here. The weather is better than it was yesterday. It isn't as cold. So this sentence simply means that it is as cold as it was yesterday. Okay? The weather is better than it was yesterday. So it isn't as cold. Maybe it is warmer than yesterday, okay? So let's remember that the word not as is the negative form of the word as. Okay, instead of saying it was as cold as yesterday, to simply negate it, you can say it was not as cold as yesterday. Okay, so let's learn more about this conjunction. Now let's learn the idea of using the phrase not as much as and not as many as. Okay, so when we say much, it means great in number, amount, degree, or quantity. But it is used to describe the amount of a mass noun, or those things which are uncountable. While in the case of many, it describes the amount of countable nouns. Okay? Now let's proceed to the sentences here. For the first sentence, I haven't got as much money as you. So we use the word much because we're referring to the amount of money, which is a mass noun, okay? This sentence simply means that you've got more money than I have, okay? So now let's go to the second sentence. I don't know as many people as you. Okay, so here we used the word many, okay? This sentence simply means that you know more people than I am, or than I do. Now, let's go to the third sentence. I don't go out as much as you. And this sentence means that you go out more often than I do. Okay. So let's remember the use of the conjunction not as, okay? Remember that not as is followed by an adjective, then we add the word as again. This is to compare two things, but in a negative form, okay? Because when we say not, it is a negative form of something, okay? Now, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot about this topic. Again, this is Teacher Jara from camglish.com. I hope you can visit our website. It's www.camglish.com. Hope that you will enroll in our classes here. Thank you and have a nice day.